To enable or disable Sidebar on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to Gestures. Once you open the Gestures, then here we should be able to find the Sidebar option, and you can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on or turn it off. Up here we also have an instruction. If you turn this option on for the first time, you can just swipe in to show the sidebar. You can drag the handle to move the sidebar and change the position. You can also drag an app within the sidebar to change its position, and dragging an app outside the sidebar will open it in the split screen. You can also tap on these options in order to, for example, find settings or open the full list of apps. So simple as that. Besides that, remember that we have settings here in this menu as well, so you can choose which apps should be accessible through the sidebar. We can also find some tools, and contacts, we can add contacts as well. Here we also have some additional settings that you can check out if needed. Leave a like and subscribe.